I'm live now. Oh my god. I'm live. I'm live now. So, I'm live now. Okay, let's do it there. Yo, what's up? I'm live. I am now live. Yes, I'm live now. Okay, I am live. Very good. Okay. So, any questions? Any questions, anyone? Okay, I am live. Very good. There we go. Drop down your questions at the rate everyone. Yes. So, okay. So, I have some plans for Bitcoin today, okay? I've been waiting pretty hard for them. So first of all, I have some short scalps, right? I have some scalping plans for Bitcoin. Um, exactly, there you go. That's the level where I'm planning scalp longs for Bitcoin, right? On that POC, right? That's the POC where we can short. Long. Yes. Okay. So that's a long scalp plan for Bitcoin, right? And then I have some day longs. This is a day long level, right? That's a day short. The one I'm marking right now, that's a day short. Then I have a swing short level inside of this box that I'll be making right now. There you go. This whole box, it's the zone where I will be planning swing shorts. All right, that's the level. Yeah, planning swing shorts right on that level. I don't need alerts. Okay, there are the levels for swing shorts. Um, till when are you on today? Around 10 to 10:30. Yes, around 10 to 10:30. All right. Any other question? Analysis, silver, gold, forex, etc. Whatever you want, Bitcoin, Ethereum, anything, anyone. Then this level right here, it's a level for day long. All right. can plan day long on this level. That's a good level, I see. Right. All right. And then yes, you can plan a swing long on this level right here, right on this line. You can plan a swing long. Right. So these are the levels and plans I have for today. All right. Any questions? Any asset analysis? Anything you wonder, guys? Waiting for long as we have entered the New York session. Yes. Yes. This is scalp long. Excuse me. This right here, this box, it is a scalp long, alright. Personally, I'm not going in here, but it's a good setup. Why I'm not going in here? Because currently my strategy does not allow me to scalp. I have a day trading strategy and a swing trading strategy, yes. But this is a good setup for scalp, right? So wait for the sweep of this low. That's your first entry. Then the second entry after sweep of this low, right? This low is a higher probability because but it's a low on the 4 hour, as I remember. Yes, that's a 4 hour low. Wait, no. 1 hour. Yes, there you go. There's a 4 hour candles low and a 1 hour clear draw on liquidity. Which POC is the best to short? The best POC to short? It depends. So for day trading, this line that I've drawn here, it has a lot of logic behind it. That's a different story, but this short right here, I would say this is the best shorting opportunity right now. But then obviously for swing and day shorts, there are some levels. Obviously this box, this big box, it is a very good level, right? This box is a very good level. Once it sweeps this high, you can look for shorts. So particularly this is day short level, and then you in this box you can try swing and day shorts both. All right, that's the plan for today. We're waiting patiently for our setups. All right, that's the plan. That's the plan, guys. Any questions as we are in the stream? Any asset analysis? Any asset analysis? Forex. Stocks. Tesla. Oh, nice pick. Nice pick. It was a nice pick, honestly. I'll be right back. It's a nice pick. Tesla is a nice pick, right? Okay, let's go with the analysis of Tesla long-term, short-term, every term. What is this? Tesla USD? That's crypto? Stocks. There you go. Not India. NQ. Yes, there you go. Starting up from the daily. Oh shoot! I have some levels drawn. Wow. Um, we have a macro structure where we are bullish, obviously, but it's kind of getting bearish from here. But you know, this move, it's not a healthy move. It's not a healthy move. You cannot consider this as an all-time bearish structure for Tesla. You cannot consider this as an all-time bearish structure, right? Because this bearish move, the shorts entered here, they're very weak, right? It's very weak. So you should be bullish on Tesla, right? You should be bullish here. And I see that on the 4 hour we have an internal market structure shift from bearish back to bullish. Alright. It has just shifted the structure to bullish again. And yes, you can plan for investing here. So first let's have our daily levels for investments. Right? Okay, we bounced off from around the discount zone. Alright, we bounced off. Okay, so this is a good level. Support, resistance, support. Okay, as for the long-term levels, this is a level for longing it up. See, we can have some things here. Who is this? Okay. Okay, so I have these levels for you guys right here. Alright. On a pullback, on a slight pullback, you can enter into Tesla. Okay, so I got the zone, a good confirmation. Honestly, buying Tesla right now is bad. You shifted the structure. I'm expecting it to make a higher low and then continue the internal and macro structure to upside. You can long here, right? So this is the first entry. You can plan investing in here, right? That's the second entry. Okay, the sweep of this line. If it goes below it and reclaims this level, then you can go longs here. And then, but if it starts to lose this level, then the only level, okay, another quick analysis, right? I have the voluntary low right there. Structure, no, started from right here. Okay, yes, this is a very good level indeed. This is a very good level. Right, so you can enter positions here. You can start building your positions. You can start averaging. So these are the this is the plan. You can screenshot it, right? Obviously don't go full port on a single position. All right, don't go full port. So the thing is, as the price goes deeper, then put more percentage of your portfolio. Just don't full port on a single position. Right? You should be ready that what if the price does not respect this level? So you need to have money for this time, this opportunity. And then even if it, like, for example, for instance, it comes down to here, even then you cannot go full port, right? Because that's the next level, right, that I see for support. And obviously you should never go full port. No matter how good the opportunity looks like. Yes, I know Tesla is a strong share. Elon Musk, I know him. He's really good. He's a good guy. I believe in him. If you believe in Tesla, these are the levels. Make sure you're not risking a lot, and you risk more as you go deeper. You risk more as you go deeper. Like, you risk here 5%, you risk here 10%, you risk here 15%. Or you risk here 5%, 7%, 10%. Increase your risk as it goes lower. Right, so this is the plan for Tesla. That's it. I hope you took the screenshot of it. You can use it later when you want. Getting back to Bitcoin. Getting back to our plans. So here are the plans for Bitcoin. Okay, is it moving lower? Moving lower. 15. It looks like okay, it's chopping there. It's taking support. No entries as of now in Bitcoin. Okay, I don't see a good opportunity right there. Be patient. We have the levels drawn. Just wait for the price to tag into our levels, and then we'll go long and short or whatever we've planned. All right. Any other questions, anyone? Any other anything else you want me to analyze? Any other asset? Maybe that's Forex, maybe that's ETH, maybe that's an altcoin. Anything you want me to analyze? Because that's the basic boring plan for Bitcoin that we're waiting, right? Till that time, any other analysis? You guys want me to analyze something else? Any other thing, guys? You want me to analyze something else? What are your plans for today? They're in front of the screen. Just look at the screen. Here are the plans for today for Bitcoin. Okay, I only trade crypto and I only invest in other assets, right? I day and swing trade crypto, alright? Specifically Bitcoin, right? These are the plans for today. We have a scalp here. We have a day long. We have a day short. We have a day and swing short. Then we have a day and swing short here. These are the plans for Bitcoin. But for today, the best opportunity that I do see for today is this day short and is this day long. They're highly accurate levels. That's the plan for today. Any other questions? You want me to analyze some other asset? Do you guys want me to analyze any other asset? What should I analyze next? I don't see much volume in Bitcoin. Since yesterday, it's just moving in the same range, trying to break out. Maybe it's a bit trappy. Don't even think of going swing at this point. Don't even think. That's not a good idea. What should I analyze? Any questions, anyone? Any questions? Anyone? Can you check Nvidia? Yeah, sure. Let's see what's up with Nvidia. Um, NQ. Turn off the AC real quick. Okay, so Nvidia, right? Nvidia is very bullish, obviously. Okay, you're a few days late for asking. Because right now I see that you missed an opportunity of what? Of 22%. You missed on a 22% move. If you trust in Nvidia, this should have been your move. So we're bullish. Macro structure is bullish, very bullish, right? It was ranging recently, and that's choppy. Yes, that's how it's moving since what? Since a very long time now. It's been years since it's moving that choppy. Okay, but that's fine for this stock. Yes, it's bullish. You can plan for longs, but we haven't shifted the structure. Okay, I'll give you the scenarios. Obviously, it has just started to close above the range on the daily. Wow, that's a very bullish sign because there's the weekly has closed. Oh shoot, I'm out of light. I'm back. It's very bullish. It looks bullish to me because the weekly has closed above the daily range, and weekly is 7 times stronger than the daily. So which means now I need to give you levels for entering, right? Let's see what I see for the levels. Let's pull out our fib, our secret weapon, and I do see a lot of volume there. Okay, right there you go. Crazy, that's crazy. So the first entry can be inside of this box. Now see, I don't know if it's gonna come back here or not, but you're never supposed to buy in green. That's what retails do. They buy in the green, sell in the red, but they should buy in the red and sell in the green because it's cheaper when it's in the red and it's expensive, it's premium when it's in the green. That's how you should think of it. All right, that's one level for longing Nvidia. And then that's the second level. If you lose this level, then let me tell you, right? You need to be prepared for that in advance. Now, if it loses that level, let me pull out the thing right there. Okay, so that's the daily. Going on to the weekly. Okay, this is a good support, horizontal stuff, horizontal support and resistance. We got a good price history. Starting from this weekly open, this is a zone where you can buy, right? So put small quantities, right? This could be our first entry for Nvidia. No, that would be the second entry. The first entry could be right here, and the second entry right there, and the third entry inside of that box. This box is very important, right? Don't go full port. Don't rush in. Don't be greedy. Manage your risk before entering into any position in Nvidia. What is my strategy? What is my strategy? That's an interesting question. My strategy is very simple. It's very easy. Are you sure you want to know my strategy? You can check out my YouTube, by the way. And if you want to get even into my strategy, you can check my Discord, because I give the setups in advance inside of the Discord, and I give the sauce there for absolutely free. I come live 34 times a week, but I'll give you a glimpse of my strategy. All right, so if you knew my strategy, then you would be in this move for Nvidia, right? You could have got all of this. You could have entered here. So my strategy is the reversal model. On higher time frame, it's a continuation model, but on the lower time frame, it's a reversal model. And I know that it's difficult for you to understand what I just said, but I'll be simple. You can catch the bottom or top of every move if you use it correctly, with the right mindset, with patience, with discipline, with risk management. It's extremely profitable. So basically, you can catch the whole trend. And the secret for my strategy is not a secret. I'll be right back. आपको मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही कि मैं टाइप कर रहा हूँ? नहीं आ रही? मैं इतनी तेज बात कर रहा हूँ, आपको आवाज नहीं आ रही? लाइव I'm back. What were we talking about? Yes, we were talking about my secret juicy strategy. So it's not a complicated strategy, it's pretty easy. Okay, I mean, it's not easy, but it's simple. So you need to pull out one thing, and that is called Fibonacci retracement. These are the fib levels that I use, 0.618 to 0.65. This is the golden zone. It's known as golden pocket. All right, it's known as the golden pocket. And then 0.786, that's also a level that I use pretty often. It works out really well. This is one part to it, but this is the main thing. Okay, now why do I use this? The concept behind using a Fibonacci. Look, so first let me tell you how to apply it. So you see that this is in an uptrend, right? Now this is an uptrend right here. Now how do you pull out the fib? So we are in the uptrend, okay? The price is right there. Now you want to enter on the higher low. You don't want to enter on the top. Now you want to catch the next bottom. You want to catch the next bottom, right? So now for figuring out the next bottom, I use Fibonacci. And how do you use it? You pull out your fib from the swing low to the swing high. And then you have your box. This is the box for entering. Now if the price taps into this box, there's very high probability that the move will continue to the upside. There's very high probability. Fibonacci now, I don't know why it works. I'm not the one who created this Fibonacci retracement, whatever you want to call it, an indicator or a trading view tool. I don't know who created this, but it works really well throughout every asset, and it has a great logic behind that. The logic behind why Fibonacci retracement works so well is that what retail people do, I'll tell you. If price is moving up, they will enter here. But price never straight away goes up or straight away goes down. If it's in an uptrend, it goes up a bit, then down a little. Up a bit, up a lot, down a little. Up a lot, down a little. Up a lot, down a little. Now, when it comes down a little, the people who are smart money, who are the big players, they're interested in buying at the down a little part, which is called the higher low. Why? Because that asset is now 50% cheaper. These zones, they're more than 50% cheaper. So price taps into that zone. That simply means that it's more than 50% cheaper. And just imagine you're going to vegetables. Are you going to buy from the person who is selling it for $100, or you are going to buy it from the person who is selling it for $40? Obviously $40, 60% less. So at that price level, the big peoples get the big players get in. That's the big people's favorite area to buy an asset. That's the logic behind why Fibonacci works so well. And yes, this is the plan for Nvidia. I hope you can take a screenshot of it, and yes, don't go full port, obviously. Right. Moving on to Bitcoin again. Let's see what is it doing. Excuse me. What should I analyze next? We're done with Nvidia. We are done with Tesla. Any other something like Forex, crypto, some stocks? What should I analyze next? And I also told you the secret juicy strategy that I use, which is extremely profitable. Any other questions? Any other analysis? Something else? Because it's getting pretty boring waiting for the price to come onto our level to enter into a Bitcoin long or short. I'm waiting patiently. Any other questions, guys? Oh, so you wanted to analyze Ethereum. Okay, yes, we can analyze ETH, but let me tell you a secret sauce that Bitcoin and ETH, they move similarly. If one's crashing, the other will have to. If one's in a bull run, the other will definitely be in a bull run, alright? They're like brothers. They do the same thing. They copy each other. But Bitcoin in this case is the bigger brother, and ETH is the is the smaller brother. All right. Starting from the weekly, I know it's bearish. All right, we are bearish, and okay, we are okay. Failed. Okay. This is the weekly high. This is the previous weekly high PWH. All right, that's the previous weekly high. Moving on to the 4-hour. No, let's go to daily. Let's find some levels for ETH. Okay, you should go for longs right now until until it's sweeping the weekly high. You should prefer longs in both in Bitcoin, because we are above this zone, which means we are bullish right now. Above the value area high means we are bullish right now. We have a lot of buyers in the market. So for ETH, first I'll give you some day trading and scalping levels. All right, then we'll start with the main thing, right? So first things first, it's a golden pocket. Okay, we just bounced from that. All right, it will definitely test it again. Also, okay, almost overlapping that zone, and then we got a lot. Okay, so let me give you this zone, this line right here, not even specifically this line. Let me make it a box. Cannot be this specific. This box right here that I've drawn, it's very accurate for longs. There's a 90% chance that 95% chance that when it comes here, it has to get a reaction, a bullish reaction. 95% chance. All right, it's a very strong level, very strong draws on liquidity. All right. Also, I think there should be a daily or weekly low, right? Daily low is there. Looking for the weekly low. Oh shoot, there's a weekly low as well. You see? Entering into that box, there's a weekly low. So that's a swing and day trading, and you can do many things at that level. You can have a swing trade, a day trade, a scalp trade, whatever you want to trade at that level. Thinking for shorts. Okay. I have 3 confluences on the high that I'm looking at. Around 1 hour. Okay, it sweeps this high, tagging to the golden pocket. We have a horizontal support and resistance. We have some price history in the past. You can look for shorting this level, shorting this box. You can just take a screenshot, and then once ETH goes above this high, be careful that you're only bearish after that. Why is the reason that why am I telling you to go only short after ETH closes above that or goes above that? Because on the weekly, on the extreme macro structure, we are very bearish. Okay, we are bearish. You're bearish. All right. It was supposed to make a higher high, but instead it made a lower low. Macro structure is bearish. Be careful with the shorts. So these are the levels that I'm suggesting you guys to trade on ETH. So this is a level for long, a level for short, a level for short. Right. That's the thing. That you can have that as a plan. Don't invest in Ethereum right now. No, this is not a good time. Here was a good time. Right here, there was a good time. Like on this price level. Like if you knew my strategy, then you could have entered anywhere in this range. This was a good time for investing. And how much would you have captured from that point? That's around a 27. Keep it just a 20% move, right? maybe you would have entered late. You would have already captured 20% if you entered right there. This was a good point for investing, and then if it went lower than averaging. But right now we are in the premium zone of the internal structure, so don't invest right now. Not at all. Right? I hope you took screenshots of those levels. Getting back to Bitcoin now. It's choppy. Chopping in the 4R, neither going up nor going down, simply means you're indecisive. Indecisive. The structure right now, this range, this is indecisive, alright? This is indecisive structure. I'm a bit late today. Can you give a short brief on what's going on today? Why not? I just analyzed Tesla, Nvidia, Ethereum, and in front of the screen, in front of your eyes, right now what you see, these are the levels for Bitcoin. A scalp level, which I won't trade. A day trade level, which yes, I will trade obviously. A day short level, which I will trade. A swing and day trade, A ultra plus ultimate level is right here, okay? You have to stay active on this level for shorts. You have to, alright? This is a very good level. This is a really, really good level for shorting Bitcoin, okay? You just don't miss it out. Don't miss it out. Stay active on this level. Then this is a swing long level. You can go for, there's a very high probability of getting a reaction off this level right here. You can plan day scalps or swings on this level. It's a good level. That's the plan for Bitcoin. When can I long again on XAU? XAU gold, you wanna, let's see. What do you want, long? You want scalp long? Or you want swing long? What do you want to know about gold? You want to go swing? Okay, I'll do both. How about I do both? About swing, about scalping, about day trading, about everything. Let me give you the levels, okay? Obviously, you're starting to come back to bullish, right? Yes, on the macro structure, obviously, we are always bullish on the gold. It's the safest asset. Okay, it's never gonna go to zero. Right, we have a lot of negativity. So telling you for the longing levels, the investment levels that I would highly suggest you to go for, right here. Okay, we were in a discount zone. I actually entered around here. I entered around here in gold. It was a leveraged position. I think I took around 5 to 6x leverage there. That is a good position. So the first place that I see, you can enter into gold for investment here. And the second zone, second level that I see is if you lose this low, if the gold loses this low, then this is the next level. Right? That's the zone for what do you call, investing in gold. Now moving on to the scalping day trading levels, we are having an internal bullish structure and we are failing to close above this high. This is not a healthy buying that we have here. We are failing to close above it. We are creating tops there. All right, we are creating tops right there. For gold, I would say you can plan a short. You can plan shorts. Yes, I think this area right here, I'll see. Starting on from that zone to this zone. This is a bullish zone, okay? Don't go short here, right? Right now you can go short. I'll do 30 minutes for better analysis. Okay. So these are some levels where you can go long. Like this box is specifically for longing. This box is for longing, alright? Get a gap down. I'm expecting a move up. Okay. A gap down and a bit up and continuing the internal bearish structure, but yes, you're hard time from bullish now. Okay. Right now I see an opportunity on gold for a scalp or a day trade or whatever you want to take. You can go long here. I mean, it's a very aggressive move to the downside if it closes that base, but you can plan long on this zone. You can plan long, but it would be better if it tries to form bottoms before sweeping this low, and then you can go for a long. Make sure you're longing once this low has been swept. Okay, it's pretty aggressive right now, right? Don't blindly enter, wait for a confirmation, because this is not the best level for longing. I told you this box is the best box for longing. This is a very hard time frame box aligning with the higher time frame market structure. You can plan shorts, right? So this is one level for long in gold, right? Be careful on this level. I see it's moving down pretty aggressively. Needs to slow down the momentum, all right? I would not expect, I cannot say that expect a V-shaped recovery from there. Like, you can, obviously, because this was a strong low. The move we had, we didn't spend any time at this price. It was a strong upside. So yes, this is a strong level, obviously, but still it's coming back aggressively, right? And I already told you that it's trying to form tops on the higher time frame, which means it can now move lower and lower and lower again. Then let me give you a short level. The price action is aligning right here. After the sweep of this high, you see you can short here. So these are the two setups I see in gold. You have to wait for it patiently. It's not even respecting this level as of now. You see, has it closed on the 5? Nah, we got 3 minutes on the 1. Yes, it's starting to close on the 1. 3. It's about to close on the 3 in 40 seconds. So this is the plan for gold, right? This is the plan for gold. Long here, then this is a level for longing, and this is a level for longing, and this was a level for shorting. I've given it there, right? And then another level for gold, shorting it up. I think this is a good level, right? You can short right here, right? You can short, like, just take a screenshot of it if you want, if you're busy. This is the plan for gold. I've given you the investment plan for gold. I've given you the trading plan for gold. I've given you all of the plans for gold. All right, I've given you all of the plans for gold that I have for gold. That this box, I'll show it to you. This is the first zone where you think of buying gold. Then if it starts to lose this level, this is the next level where you think of buying gold again, right? Honestly, if gold comes in here, I'll be pretty aggressive. I'll put in a good chunk of my capital here. That's my personal plan. But yes, don't forget your risk management, right? I have other plans as well. Yes. Can I short Bitcoin at 77747? Let's see what level you're talking about. It What do you say? 77447. Yes. That's my short level. Yes. That's a good short level, Selma. A daily high, 0.786 to be, let's see, it had 0.786. Yeah. It has a 0.786 retracement level. Then it has a daily high. Then it also has fixed range volume profiles, POC and volume area high. This box, you see these lines, they're very good. It's very good. It's an A ultra plus level. Okay, not an A ultra plus level, but yes, it is a triple plus level. It's very good level for shorting. That's a really good level for shorting Bitcoin. Yes. And if you're a beginner, you should only short at those short and long. You should enter into positions at levels like that, which are very high probability. And yeah, don't take low probability trades as a beginner. Now you won't be able to handle that. That's going to affect your other trades. I'll be right back. Okay. What next do you want me to analyze? Forex, crypto, something else you want me to analyze, guys? Something else? You want me to analyze something else, guys, right now? What should I analyze next? We're done with gold. We're done with Nvidia, Tesla, Ethereum. What next should I analyze? Something else? We have the levels for Bitcoin. You guys want me to analyze something else? Oh my god, my dogs are going crazy. Or what's the next question? You want to know my strategy? Something else? What do you want to know? What should I analyze next? I'll be right back. And these are the levels for Bitcoin today. All right. Yo, I'm back. I'm back, guys. Any questions? What I should be analyzing next? Okay. No other questions. What should I analyze next, guys? I'm getting bored. Waiting for the price to hit our levels. Lakshit, are you watching stream? Or Raghav? Anyone watching? Right now. Excuse me. Okay, so the Bitcoin has there. It's a good scalp. As I told, I'm not a scalper because scalping has low accuracy because it's not if it's not done at I'm not saying scalping is a bad thing, okay? Scalping can be really good in fact if you do it the right way, but it's a good long. It's not an excellent long, but it's fine. You know. You know what I am trying to say. Why I don't scalp. It's not a long, it's a scalp. So if this candle on a minute closes above here, right around there, then you can enter into a long.